Hey everyone, this is Sandy Reese with stamp-a-crew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me today. As I promised in my last video, we are going to do some projects with new product coming up in the January through April mini catalog and our celebration catalog. So today we are using the terrific Toadstools bundle from the mini catalog. I love this one. It has 3 sentiments. It has 3 different, well actually 5 different toadstool tops and some bottoms. It's got some grass, some little, sprigs of grass and a ladybug. Super cute. And then we have the toadstool punch, which has 2 of the tops. It will punch out these 2 and then a stem. Okay, and then we are also going to, this is my favorite, this is one of the celebration items. It's a pack of 6x6 designer series paper. It has toadstools, so it coordinates with the stamp set, but this is free with the $60 purchase. So it comes with, I think, 8 sheets of each one. So it's kind of equal to a 1 12x12 pack. It's just cut down into quarters. So this is one side, super cute. And then we have this green kind of leafy side. All right, I've got to keep them all straight here. We have this one, kind of a swirly print, and then just a little kind of red polka dot pattern on the back. And we have kind of this funky 3-color set of mushrooms, and then the back is this great wood grain. I love this. This is a gray kind of wood grain pattern. Then we have this multi-pattern polka dots, but this one I love. We're going to use this one on today's project, the stripes. And then we have, what's the next one? We have a little kind of pink and orange mushroom grouping pattern. Maybe that's what I'll call it. And then we have stripes on the back, which I believe are fresh freesia. Okay, and then we have one more of the background. It's got some mushrooms, some bugs, and then these cute snails. And the back is kind of, which is a crosshatch diamond type pattern. Okay, so super cute, 48 sheets, coordinates with the terrific toadstool. So let's get started. Oh, I'm also going to use these. These are in the new catalog. These are called Sunny Day Iridescent Dots, and they actually go with another, with a suite, but they go perfectly with these as well. Look at how the orange and the pink. I love these. So I'll be showcasing this suite later on. Okay, I can't show you the catalog. I can show you the front of the catalog right here. Isn't that pretty? It's just very springtimey. It's got one of the birthday sets that are in the catalog. The back, oh sorry, my bad, hit my camera. The back just doesn't, it has, some icons and not too much on the back, but the front gives you a good sneak peek of one of the suites that's coming. Okay, let's get to our project. So we're going to start with a half sheet of Poppy Parade. And then I have a piece of Granny Apple Green. I have a piece of our Stripe Designer Series paper, which I'm going to adhere right to the left of that. Then I have a piece of glimmer paper. Now, while I'm putting this together, that glimmer paper is from the festive glimmer paper. It was in the holiday catalog, but it is carrying over, thank goodness. Thank goodness, because I love glimmer paper, and it's kind of narrow. I think this is just a 1/4 inch, so I'm just going to do a little bit of liquid glue there. See if I can get this on without too much mess. Okay, just like that. And then sometimes I cut things a little bit long just to be safe. because you never know. Sometimes the paper comes and it's just a hair longer or a hair shorter than your measurements might be. I'm just gonna trim it off, make sure we're all even. And then we're gonna adhere this to the front of our card front. I'm putting my blank side over on the right, my green side. Okay. And then I have a piece of white for the inside. This is just 4 by 5 1/4. And I'll put all the measurements on my blog, so you can make your own if you would like. And as a reminder, if you place an order of $50 or more, you're going to get a set of cards for me to make for free and an embellishment. So, okay, I think I already have them on the block. And I'm going to use the largest mushroom cap up here. And then I'm going to use this and then this sentiment right there. So I have a piece of scrap paper. And we're going to stamp our mushroom top and Poppy Parade. I love Poppy Parade. Oh, I have a little something there. Hold on. Let's redo that on the back. I had a little piece of paper or fuzz or something. All right. And then I'm going to use Early Espresso for my stem. I'm actually going to stamp that off once. I'm just going to stamp that off on the back and then stamp it there. It's just to give me a little lighter stem. I don't need a real dark stem. Oh, and I do have to stamp my words. Let's bring our poppy back. And I just cut a little banner with the stylish shaped dies, which everybody should have these. If you don't, because I use these more than any other die set that I have. I love these things. Okay, we'll get that out of the way. Now let's bring in our punch. Our punch will cut out this one. So that kind of there's a rounded and a little less rounded, and that's for the bottom. And it actually cuts or punches out the mushroom without any white around it. And then this will also punch it out, the stem, but you can see here the stem is a lot narrower. So I actually want a little wider stem. I don't want it cut off, so I'm just going to cut it like right on my stamping line because I want it a little bit thicker. And this is a nice, easy one to cut out. I could go with the narrower one if I was doing maybe one of the smaller mushroom tops, but this is the big one, so I need a good hefty stem there. Okay, now I have another piece of this designer paper. This is the one with that cross hatch. I did say, ignore what I just said, cross hatch. Good grief. Okay, and then we're gonna pop this up. Let's grab some dimensionals. I have some from left over from my paper pumpkin kit. And I'm going to just center this with a little bit of that cross hatch pattern below. And then I'm gonna just put a dot of glue. That's too much glue. Let's get a little bit of that off right here on my mushroom. And then we're gonna pop up the mushroom. See the back of that? No one's ever gonna see that. We're gonna pop up our mushroom and put a little glue right on this stem. And that's going to glue right here and pop up. And then let's grab, I have a few left over. A few of our gems. One came off, hold on, it's stuck to my desk. Okay, I'm gonna take one of the pink and then an orange. But you know, if you order these, you can't order these, I think, until the 7th, maybe. It's coming, so start making your list. I will put, I I can't really put links yet, but I will put a list. So we have terrific toadstools. If you want to make a list, it's 164783. Although there will be a bundle price. I'll give you that. Hold on a second. Where do I put my catalog? I'm going to look it up. I'm going to give you the bundle price and the bundle number so you can order this. And then the designer paper is for free. So the bundle is 164790 for this, 164790. Those, the little dots that coordinate, that number is 164696, 164696 for the dots. And then our celebration paper is going to be 164942. 164942. I will list those numbers and I will also list the prices on my blog with the date that you can purchase these. I just love this. It's so happy. Just such a happy little card. I feel like Bob Ross, a happy little mushroom. Okay, that is it for today. Check back on Monday. I have another card using some new product. Very excited about all these great things. And please click subscribe if you haven't done so already. And join my Facebook group. It's Crew Stampers Forum on Facebook. And I also have a link below to join my email list. So thanks everybody for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.